How to add discount on TikTok Shop. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's show you how you will be able to add or create a discount on your TikTok Shop. So simply look over here on the left side. You can notice that we have a promotions option over here. Simply select this and you have two options for us to choose from. Simply select promotional tools. Now after that, you will be able to see here product discount. Simply click on create and now simply enter the necessary information, such as the discount or the promotion name, the promotion period, until when is this discount available for people. There's also discount type, whether it's percentage off or a fixed price. You could also have smart discount, where it will suggest the discount setting for your product. And you can now select simply the products that you want to apply that discount on. So that's basically it, guys. If you consider leaving a like and subscribe, thanks for watching.